Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video covers a very beautiful and unique ideas of hand embroidery, needle art, and you can say that fabric painting. These are three different terms that are being used for the art of hand embroidery as well. So friends, you could see that very beautiful pictures and visuals of side neckline embroidery patterns have been shown to you. You can then make these patterns comfortably and easily by doing a 2 to 3 times sittings of your focused attention and make the whole embroidery pattern. You can make these patterns for designing your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and even you can also make these very beautiful patterns onto your office outfits, formal, casual shirts. These very beautiful, decent, elegant, and simple design ideas and easy to make design ideas are absolutely favorable for Eastern as well as Western dress codes. So, whether you are a lover of ethnic dress codes or you are a lover of European dress codes, or it is independent of the seasons as well, you can make these patterns for your summer dress, midsummer dresses, winter dresses, and fall dresses as well. So I really hope that you like my today's ideas and the creativity of these design patterns have left you speechless, and you will go and try these patterns. Absolutely try them and share your experiences with us, and do comment below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you on daily basis. With this, allow me to leave and stay tuned for the latest trendy upcoming fashion related hand embroidery, machine embroidery, hand art, needle art related videos. Up till then, take care. Jazakallahu khaira for watching my content. Meet you soon upcoming videos in the new and trendy command design ideas.